of county government in formats to be prescribed by the Accounting Standards Board. These statements shall include the services for which the appropriated money was spent, the amounts actually spent on each service, the status of each vote compared with the appropriation for the vote, a statement explaining any variations between the actual expenditure and the sums voted, and any other information specified by the county treasury. She continues to state under in the last paragraph that as at the moment, the county has prepared and submitted the financial statements to the Auditor General, and the Auditor General is in the process of auditing the financial statements, which form part of our response to your request. As shown in the attached...
If we leave it there for the sake of time, were you asking for financial statements from the governor's office?
No, but the IFMIS extracts for the financial year.
So you asked for IFMIS because we had earlier on in the opening statement somebody setting our own question and answering it. Did the assembly ask for financial statements so that this document would be a valid answer?
No.
Would you therefore consider this a valid reason for the failure to submit the documents?
It's a reason that cannot hold water.
It's a reason that cannot hold water. But Mr. Mawere, if the assembly asked the governor's office to submit documents and they refuse, can someone be held to blame the assembly then for escalating the matter to impeachment?
Nobody should do that.
Let's go to count number 3 about the DG. Paragraph 14A of the impeachment motion, you accuse the governor of excluding the deputy governor from county executive committee meetings.
Yes.
Under our law and our constitution, is the deputy governor a substantive member of that executive committee?
Yes, because it is clearly stated under the law and the constitution.
As a matter of fact, would that committee be validly constituted in a situation where the DG is excluded deliberately?
It cannot.
But sir, have you produced any evidence to show that the DG was excluded from the meetings of the CEC?
Yes, in volume 2, pages 101 to 103, 226, 231, 233, 234, 235, and 236.
Pages?
101 to 103.
101.
To 103.
Let's go to the document at page 101. What type of document is that?
This is a record of the County Assembly of Meru, record of evidence taken before the Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion at the County Assembly of Meru Chambers.
Was this evidence given on oath?
Yes, it was.
As a matter of fact, on page 101, it indicates the oath was administered to the witness.
Yes, it indicates.
And who was the witness that was appearing before the county assembly?
The deputy governor.
The deputy governor.
Yes.
What are the complaints the deputy governor told the county assembly? At page 102.
The deputy governor complained of lack of facilitation.
Yes.
For his office.
Yes.
I also complained of failure to be invited to the Meru County Executive Committee cabinet meetings or any other official functions.
When does he say he was last invited? At the bottom of page 102.
The last invite was on 29th May 2023.
Let's go to 226. What is that document, sir?
It's a letter from the Deputy Governor to the County Secretary inquiring if there was any cabinet meeting that has been held, because the last one you attended was on 29 May 2023 when he was invited through our WhatsApp page.
On top, is that document received by the relevant officer?
It was received by the Office of the County Secretary at the end of public service on 25th August 2023.
To the best of your knowledge, did the DG receive any response to this request?
None whatsoever.
Let's go to 231. What is that document, sir?
It's a letter from the Office of the Deputy Governor addressed to the Speaker of Meru County Assembly on failure to be invited for Meru County Executive Cabinet meeting.